Want to connect Gmail to Google Sheets so that every new email with a specific label is instantly added as a new row in your spreadsheet? In this video, I'll show you how to set it up using Pluga super easily and quickly. The first thing you need to do is access Pluga's website and log in or create a 100% free account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll find the sign-up link in the description. Once that's done, you'll start setting up your automation. So, right here under Select App, go ahead and search for Gmail. Then, under Select Trigger, you'll see two options. I'll go with New Email in a tab or with a label, because I don't need to save attachments to my spreadsheet. But if you do want to have a column with the attached files from your emails, just pick this other option right here, New Email with Attachments. Next up, you're going to select Google Sheets as the app, and for the action, choose Insert Row in Spreadsheet. Once that's done, just click on Automate, and you're good to go. Here, just make sure the source app and trigger are all set up right, then click Continue. Next, you'll connect your Gmail account to Pluga. To do that, just click on Connect New Account and give Pluga access to your Google account. Since my account's already connected, I'll go ahead and select it right here. Then you'll pick which tab or label your emails should be in to get sent to your spreadsheet. In my case, I only want emails under the Jobs label, so I'll select Jobs. Next, you'll choose your criteria for email capture, whether you want to send all emails, only the unread ones, or only the read ones. As for my setup, I want all emails under that label to be sent to the spreadsheet, so I'm going to select the All Emails option. If everything looks good, just hit Continue. And here's a really cool part. You can set up filters to make your automation even smarter, like only adding rows if the email contains specific info. But if you don't want to use any filters, no worries. Just leave it as is and click Continue, and done. Your Gmail is now successfully connected. Now, let's move on to the next step, connecting your Google Sheets account. Now, just like we did before, on this screen you'll check if the destination app and action are correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Continue. To do that, just click on Connect New Account and give Pluga access to your Google account. Since I already have mine connected, I'll just select it here. And now, here's a super important detail to make sure your integration works. You need to have your spreadsheet already created. So I'll head over to Google Drive. Create a new spreadsheet, give it a name, and rename the Sheet tab too. Once that's done, just come back to Pluga, select the spreadsheet and the tab, and click Continue. Now we've reached the customization step. This is where the magic happens. This is the part where you decide exactly which information from your email will be sent to your spreadsheet. By default, Pluga already pre-maps a few fields for you. So column A will have the sender's name, column B will show the sender's email, and column C will display the email subject. But you can totally change that. You can delete any of these columns by clicking the little trash icon, move them up or down using the arrows, or even add a new column by clicking Add Column and choosing the info you want to include. Once everything looks just the way you want it, go ahead and click Continue, then Finish Automation, and that's it. From now on, every time you get a new email under the label or tab you chose, the data will be sent straight to your spreadsheet. If you have any questions or need help, just reach out to us via chat or shoot an email to support@pluga.co. Hope this step-by-step was helpful. See you next time!